Welcome back. So now we're going to have to install the ears for the cute little robot, and you need to make sure that these are matching precisely. It will go on if you put it the wrong way, but it won't connect very well. So make sure that you do it the correct way. Make sure all the holes are matching exactly. You see, if you do this, this does not look good. So there's a problem with what I've done. And I'm not sure what I have done, because this should be matching. Oh, there we go. There, perfect. Now the only thing that's left to do is to attach these cool little blue bits that finish off and close off the pretty design. And I was about to do it wrong, so not cool. See you in the next bit.